Corrosion. Try this. Apparatus: 4 test tubes, 4 small iron nails, rubber cork, etc. Chemicals: anhydrous calcium chloride, oil, boiled water, etc. Procedure: place 4 test tubes on a test tube stand. Take some boiled water in one test tube and put an oil layer on it. Take some salt water in the second test tube. Let there be only air in the third test tube. Take some anhydrous calcium chloride in the fourth test tube. Place a small iron nail in every test tube. Close the fourth test tube with a rubber cork. Let all the 4 test tubes remain unattended for a few days. Observe all the 4 test tubes after a few days. What did you find? Which test tubes had the nails as before? Both water and air are necessary for rusting. The rusting process takes place rapidly in presence of salt. Have you seen the effect of redox reaction in your everyday life? The new vehicles look shiny. On the contrary, old vehicles look dull. A certain type of reddish-colored solid layer collects on their metallic surface. This layer is called rust. Its chemical formula is Fe2O3xH2O. The rust on iron does not form by a simple reaction of oxygen with iron surface. The rust is formed by an electrochemical reaction. Different regions on the surface of iron become anode and cathode. 1. Fe is oxidized to Fe2+ in the anode region. Fe solid gives Fe2+ aqueous plus 2E-. 2. O2 is reduced to form water in the cathode region. O2 gaseous plus 4H plus aqueous plus 4E- gives 2H2O liquid. When Fe2+ ions migrate from the anode region, they react with water and further get oxidized to form Fe3+ ions. A reddish-colored hydrate oxide is formed from Fe3+ ions. It is called rust. It collects on the surface. 2 Fe3+ aqueous plus 4H2O liquid gives Fe2O3 H2O solid plus 6H plus aqueous. Statement 29. Due to various components of atmosphere, oxidation of metals takes place, consequently resulting in their damage. This is called corrosion. Iron rusts and a reddish-colored layer is collected on it. This is corrosion of iron. Corrosion is a very serious problem. We are going to study about it in the next chapter. Find out. How are the blackened silver utensils and patinated greenish brass utensils cleaned?
Answer. The mixture of baking soda, vinegar and lemon is used to clean blackened silver utensils and patinated greenish brass.